Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Visa gift card step by step clearly. To activate your Visa gift card, begin by locating the sticker on the back of the card. This sticker usually contains a website link and a toll-free phone number. Visit the website listed on the sticker. Once there, look for the option to activate your card. Click on that link to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter the card number. This number is typically printed on the front of the card. After entering the card number, input the security code. This code is usually found on the back of the card. Also, provide the expiration date of your card. This date can be found on the front side as well. After filling in the required fields, click the Submit button. You may be asked to verify your identity with some additional information. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation message stating that your card is now activated. If you run into issues, consider calling the toll-free number provided on the sticker for assistance. Keep your card in a safe place after activation. You are now ready to use your Visa gift card for purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.